Build OS Android v8.0 Oreo. UI MIUI 9.0. Dimensions NA. Weight NA. SIM hybrid dual SIM, dual standby, nano SIM. Colors ceramic black, black, blue, white. Frequency 2G band SIM 1, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. SIM 2, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. 3G band HSPA 850, 900, 1900, 2100. 4G band LTE band 1 2100, 3 1800, 5 850, 7 2600, 8 900, 38 2600, 39 1900, 40 2300, 41 2500. Processor CPU octa-core. Chipset Qualcomm Snapdragon 845. Display technology IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 16 colors, multi-touch. Size 5.65 inches. Resolution 1080 by 2160 pixels, 427 ppi. Memory built-in 64 128 of a gigabyte built-in, 6/8 of a gigabyte RAM. Card no. Camera main dual 16MP, f/1.7, 4-axis OIS, autofocus, dual LED dual tone flash. Features 2x optical zoom, phase detection, geotagging, touch focus, face detection, HDR, panorama, video, 2160p at 30 fps. Front 8MP, 1080p. Connectivity LAN Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/NAC, dual band, Wi-Fi direct, hotspot. Bluetooth v5.0 with a 2DP, LA. GPS Yes plus a GPS support and GLONASS, BDS. USB Type-C 1.0 reversible connector. NFC yes. Infrared yes. Data GPRS, Edge, 3G, HSPA 42.25.76 Mbps, 4G, LTE-A, 3Ca, Cat 12 600 150 Mbps. Features sensors accelerometer, compass, fingerprint, rear-mounted, gyro, proximity. Audio Type-C to 3.5mm headphone jack, MP4/DIVX/WMV/H.264 player, MP3/WAV/EAC plus FLAC player, speakerphone. Browser HTML5. Messaging SMS threaded view, MMS, email, push mail, M. Games built-in plus downloadable. Torch yes. Extra active noise cancellation with dedicated mic, splash resistant, photo, video editor, document viewer. Battery capacity, LiPo non-removable, 4480 mAh. Fast battery charging, quick charge 3.0.